Good morning. My name is Erika Lorena Garzon Martinez. I study industrial engineering. I belong to that technology evaluation and negotiation course. Unit 1. Step 2. Understanding intellectual property. Group Unit 1. Tutor Ingrid Tatiana Gomez. System rejections, engine effect, burst perception on the system by industry. Delay and innovation and technological development. Love of important information. Direct effect, excessive processing time, direct cause. Failures incur strains, indirect cause. Very basic management system. Log analysis time, indirect cause. Lack of strength or training for servers. Badly word requests, indirect cause. Log applicant training and information. Recommendations to avoid excessive time when applied for intellectual property protection. It is important. Make sure all information and documents are full of correct. Make sure it meets the requirements for protection approved. Thank you.